We'll guide you through how to make typewriter text in VSDC. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, make sure VSDC Video Editor is already installed on your device before beginning this tutorial. Double-click the application to open it, and wait for the main interface to load completely. From the available startup options, select Blank Project to create a new project. When the project settings window appears, change the project title to How to Make Typewriter Text in VSDC. Adjust the resolution according to your needs, although the default setting is used in this example. Next, adjust the background color if necessary, and keep the default black background for this demonstration. Once all settings are configured, click the Finish button to enter the editing workspace. After the project opens, click the Add Object menu located in the upper left corner of the interface. Select the text option and then choose text again from the available choices. Leave the object position settings at their default values and click the OK button to continue. Create a text box with the size you want to use in the project. Inside the text box, type the phrase How to Make Typewriter Text in VSDC. After entering the text, change the font and select the one that best fits your design. Adjust the text size and make it slightly larger so it is easier to read. Also modify the paragraph settings so the text is centered properly within the text box. Next, select the text object and click the Text Effects menu to access additional options. From the available effects, choose the Recoloring option. Configure the effect so it starts from the beginning of the scene. Then change the duration to 3 seconds and click the OK button to apply the effect. Once the effect has been added, locate the Show Cursor option on the right side of the interface. Change this setting to Thin Line to create the appearance of a typing cursor. Return to Scene 0 and click the Play button to preview the final result.